Namaste children. This video is for class 7 subject computer chapter 7 part 4 video. Continuation of introduction to HTML. Children, do you like to create an attractive web page? In this video, practically I will demonstrate and I will show you how to create an attractive web page. I welcome you all for today's computer class. Children, in the previous video, I have explained how to give the color as the background to your web page, how to give the picture as the background to your web page, and how to give the different levels of headings with the help of HN tag, isn't it? Now, let us see about HR tag, horizontal rule. With the help of HR tag, you can display a horizontal line across the web page. So, it is used to display the horizontal line across the web page. So, these are the attributes of HR tag. What is the use of attribute, children? It tells the browser how the web page should be. So, with the help of these attributes, you can decide the size of the line, width of the line, color, and even you can also align the horizontal line. So, you have to mention the size in pixel, you have to mention the width in percentage, and you can also mention the color, and even you can also align the horizontal line. Here is an example. HR size is equal to 20. So here size is the attribute name and 20 is the attribute value. So we have to assign the attribute value to the attribute name with the help of equal to symbol. And you have to mention the attribute value with the help of double quotations. Width is the attribute name and 60% is the attribute value. So you have to mention the width in percentage. And color is the attribute name and blue is the attribute value. Align is the attribute name, center is the attribute value. If you give like this, then a horizontal line will be displayed in blue color and it will be aligned towards center, and the size will be in 20 and the width of the line will be in 60. Now practically we will see how it will work out. Children, now open the notepad in order to create the HTML document. Every HTML document should begin and end with HTML tag. Since HTML is a container tag, you have to give the closing tag preceded by the /. What is the use of HTML tag, children? It tells the browser the following document is the HTML file. Now, give head tag. It is for being identification of why this page is being created. Followed by the title tag. So whatever the title you are giving, it will be displayed on the top of the web browser on the title tab. I am going to give the title as my web page. Since title tag is a container tag, you have to give the closing tag preceded by the /. And head tag is also a container tag. You have to give the closing tag preceded by the /. Here comes the main part of the HTML document, that is body tag. In order to give the background color, what attribute you should give, children? BG color. Body, BG color. BG color is the attribute name. Body BG color equal to, I am going to give yellow. You have to give the attribute value within the double quotations. So here BG color is the attribute name and yellow is the attribute value. Now, even I would like to display the text in color. So here I am giving text as the attribute and I would like to display the text in red color. So I am giving red. So here text is the attribute name and red is the attribute value. Now I am going to give the H1 tag. What is the use of H1 tag, children? It is the largest heading tag. If you want to give the highest level of heading, you can give the H1 tag. I would like to display my details in the highest level of heading. Since H1 is a container tag, you have to give the closing tag preceded by the forward slash. And here I have given the align. Align is equal to center. Means I would like to align my details towards center. That's why I am giving the attribute as align, attribute name as align, and attribute value as center. So if you give like this word my details will be aligned towards center. Now shall we implement the HR tag, children? HR size equal to, I am going to give the size as 20. Width equal to width, width equal to 50. And you have to mention the width in percentage. Color equal to red. Align equal to center. ALIGN equal to center. Children, these are the attributes of HR tag. Size is the attribute name and 20 is the attribute value. Width is the attribute name, 50 is the attribute value. Color is the attribute name, red is the attribute value. Align is the attribute name and center is the attribute value. If you give like this, what will happen? It will display a horizontal line in red color and it will be aligned towards center, and the size will be in 20 and width will be in 50%. Now, I would like to display my details. I am going to make use of H2 tag. This is the second level of heading. My name is, I would like to display my name, so I am just typing my name is colon, closes H2 tag, now I am going to use H4 tag, that is fourth level of heading. I would like to display my name Vidya, close this H4 tag. And I would like to display my school name. Again I am making use of H2 tag, second level of heading. My school name is colon, closes H2 tag. I am making use of H4 tag, that is fourth level of heading. My school name is GAV Public School. I would like to display this GAV Public School in fourth level of heading. Now close this H4 tag. Now I would like to give the class. So again I am making use of H2 tag, that is second level of heading. class colon closes H2 tag. I would like to mention 7th A in H4 tag, that is 4th level of heading. Seventh A. If you belongs to 7th A, you type 7th A. If you belongs to 7th B, you type 7th B. Closes H4 tag. Now again I am making use of H2 tag. My hobbies are colon closes H2 tag. This is second level of heading. Here you can see the different levels of heading, children. That is H2 will be in different size, H4 will be in different level of heading. My hobbies are like singing, comma, reading books. Closes H4 tag. Now closes body tag, because it is a container tag. We have to close this body tag preceded by the forward slash. Now save your file, children. Go to the file menu. Click on save. Now it will show the save as dialog box. Save the file in the desired location. I am just going to give my web page, or my details also you can give my details.html. Save this file. Shall we see our web page? Now go to the desired location where you have saved the file. Double click it. Now could you able to see my web page, children? It is in yellow background and the text color is in red. And here could you able to see the different levels of heading. That is, my name is in second level of heading, and Vidya it is in fourth level of heading, and my school name is in second level of heading, and DAV public school is in fourth level of heading. So like this you can see the variations. And here did you notice one thing, children? Since I have given the HR tag, it is displaying a horizontal line across the web page. And why it is in center? Because I have given align equal to center. Now I am going to remove this attribute, that is align equal to center. Even I would like to increase the width. Go to the notepad. And now I am going to remove this align equal to center. And I am going to increase the width size as 150. And children, did you notice one thing? I did not give closing tag for this HR tag. This question should raise in your mind. Why I did not give closing tag for this HR tag? Because it is an empty tag. So empty tag does not require closing tag. Now save your changes. Go to the desired location and open your web page. Now could you able to see the changes, children? Children, even in the word processing software, we used to format the text with the help of bold, italic, underline, and we used to give different font face, font size, font color. Isn't it? The same thing we can also do in HTML with the help of text formatting tags. Children, could you able to see this text be safe? I would like to apply the bold effect to this text be safe. So I am giving B tag. So for bold you have to give the B tag. Since it is a container tag, you have to give the closing tag preceded by the /. And if you want to apply italicized effect to any text, you can give italic tag, that is I tag. So for italic, you can give I tag. Since it is a container tag, you have to give the closing tag preceded by the /. And if you want to underline any text, you can give U tag. So for underline, you have to give U tag. Since it is a container tag, you have to give the closing tag preceded by the /. Now save the file. Go to the desired location and save the file. I am just saving in the desktop itself, text.html. Click on save button. Shall we see the web page, children? Go to the desired location where you have saved the file, double click it. Now could able to see the changes, children? The text be safe, it is in bold because I have given B tag, and the text be strong, it is in italic because I have given I tag. And could able to see this we will survive, it has been underlined because I have given U tag. But did you notice one thing, children? Everything has been displayed in one single line. Now I would like to display be safe in one line, be strong in another line, we will survive in another line. In order to do that, what we have to do? Shall we see, children? Go to the notepad. Give BR tag. So what is the use of BR tag, children? It inserts a single line break. So if you give BR tag, then it will insert a single line break. So be safe will be displayed in one line and be strong will be displayed in another line, and we will survive will be displayed in another line. So it will insert a single line break. And BR tag is an empty tag, so no need to give the closing tag. Now save the changes. Whatever you are doing, you have to save your changes. Now shall we see the web page, children? Could able to see the changes? Be safe has been displayed in one line and be strong in another line. We will survive in another line. Children, now I would like to display this sentence we will win in the middle of the page. So if you want to display any sentence or any text in the middle of the page, you can give center tag. CENTER, center. Since it is a container tag, you have to give the closing tag preceded by the /. And if you want to strike out any text or if you want to show any corrections, then you can give strike tag. Now I would like to strike out this coronavirus. So I am just giving strike. So what is the use of strike tag, children? It is used to strike out the text. So if you want to strike out any text, you can give strike tag. Or if you want to show some corrections, you can give the strike tag so that it will strike out the text. Since it is a container tag, you have to give the closing tag preceded by the /. Shall we see the web page, children? Save the changes. Go to the desired location where you have saved the file. Double click it. It is buffering. Now could able to see the changes, children. The sentence we will win, it is appeared in the middle of the web page. And see this coronavirus, why it is striked out? Because I have given the strike tag. So if you want to strike out any text, you can give strike tag. Children, you can also apply 2 or more text formatting tags simultaneously. See here, children, I would like to display the sentence we will win in the middle of the web page. So I have given center tag. Even I would like to apply the bold effect, italicized effect, and even I would like to underline the sentence we will win. So I am just giving B tag in order to make it as bold. In order to make it as italic, I am giving I tag. In order to underline, I am giving U tag. Since these are the container tags, we have to give the closing tag preceded by the forward slash. We can also call this closing tag as an ending tag. These are called as nested tags, children. Shall we see the web page? Save your changes. Go to the desired location where you have saved the file. Double click it. It is buffering. Now could you able to see the changes, children? We will win. It is displayed in the middle of the web page and it is underlined and even it is in italic and even it is in the bold effect. So like this you can apply 2 or more text formatting tags. Children, in the word processing software also we used to format the text in different font face, different font size and different font color. The same thing we can also do in HTML with the help of font tag. So shall we implement the font tag, children? Even font tag have the attributes such as face, size, color. So face is the attribute name and Comic Sans MS is the attribute value. Here you can mention any of the font face such as stencil, impact, Arial. As per your wish you can type any of the face. And size is also one of the attribute of font tag. So I have mentioned 40. So 40 is the attribute value and size is the attribute name. Here color is the attribute name and red is the attribute value. Now I would like to display all the sentence in font face Comic Sans MS and the size should be in 40 and it should be displayed in red color. That's why I have given this font tag. Now I am going to close this font tag because it is a container tag preceded by the forward slash. Shall we see the output, children? Save your changes and go to the desired location where you have saved the file. Double click it. It is buffering. Still it is buffering. Now could you able to see these changes, children? All the sentence has been displayed in Comic Sans MS font face and the size it is in 40 and the color also you can see it is displayed in red color. So like this you can give font tag, children. Now shall we give the different font face, different size, children? We will see the variations by giving different font face and different font size. Go to the notepad. Now I am going to give different font face. I am going to give Arial and size also I am going to change. I am going to give 60. Even I would like to change the color. I am giving blue color. You can give any of your required color. In this font face, size, color, I would like to display one sentence, that is keep smiling. Keep smiling by Vidya. So the sentence keep smiling by Vidya will be displayed in font face Arial, size will be 60 and it will be displayed in blue color. Now you have to close this font tag because it is a container tag preceded by the forward slash. Shall we see the output, children? Save your changes and go to the desired location where you have saved the file. Double click it. Now, could you able to see the variation, children? Now let us see a small recap. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to create a web page. In your web page, you can organize your text, image, graphics, list, table, isn't it? And what is website, children? Collection of web pages that is called as website that can be combined together in various ways. Types of tags. So if we speak about the types of tags, there are two types of tags, that is container tag and empty tag. So container tag have the opening tag as well as the ending tag, and empty tag does not have the closing tag. Say for example BR tag, HR tag, these are the examples of empty tag. And what is the use of attribute, children? It is used to control the behavior of the tag. It tells the browser how the web page should be. And children, in order to design any web page, we require 4 main tags, that is HTML, head, title, body. So these are the 4 main tags. BG color, text, background, or the attributes of body tag. So with the help of BG color, you can give the background color, and you can give the text color with the help of text. With the help of background, you can insert the picture to the background. And if you want to give the different levels of heading, you can make use of the heading tag, that is HN tag. In the place of N, you can give the number that is ranging from 1 to 6. So H1 is the highest level of heading and H6 is the lowest level of heading. And if you want to insert a horizontal line, you can give the HR tag. If you want to insert a single line break, you can give the BR tag. And if you want to apply the bold effect to the text, you can give B tag. And if you want to apply the italicized effect to the text, you can give I tag. If you want to underline the text, you can give U tag. If you want to strike out any text, you can give strike tag. And if you want to give the text, if you want to format the text in different font face, in different font size, in different font color, you can give the font tag. Face, size, color, or the attributes of font tag. Children, here is an activity for you. First one, create a web page to display your details such as your name, father's name, mother's name, and date of birth in different levels of heading. So, make use of heading tag H1 and H3. Also, use BR tag. And insert a horizontal line in your web page. So, the size should be in 30, width should be 150, color should be blue. Second one, create a web page to display the following. Dream big. This should be in bold. I am born to win. It should be in italic. I will win. Underline this. And font face should be in Comic Sans MS. Size should be 36. Color should be in red. And insert BR tag, children. So for this, make use of font tag. Third one, try the lab activity which is given in your reader, page number 102. So complete this activities, take a pic and send to my personal WhatsApp number. That's all for today's class. Thank you, children. Keep smiling.